Here's our upstairs bathroom that we fully redid. That started off with us going ahead and putting new flooring down. These are 12 by 24 tiles, so they look great. We also ran the same tile for the baseboard, which is a nice feature in the bathrooms, especially with the moisture that you get in here. We redid all of the wall tile in here, and did a new shower enclosure. The new shower enclosure is a barn door style, very little metal to be seen. That way you're able to go ahead and feature the actual wall tile. Those wall tiles are 48 by 24 inches. Huge. I love the way we wrap the corners with these, so it literally keeps the tile going. You've got a shower head and a handheld in there. Lots of options as far as that goes. So brand new toilet, of course, new vanity, new custom countertop. This is a remnant piece. We were able to get a really high-end piece because it was a small piece that was left over. We're able to go ahead and reuse. So, and then we've got the LED mirrors. So those are very nice mirrors, new light in here. So this one's all ready to go. Nice little showpiece for the guests whenever they come to check everything out and hang out.